Alright, let's start by cutting up some Yukon Gold potatoes. Place them in a bowl and pour about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, some salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. Mix that up real well. Now place them on a lined baking sheet and bake them at 375 degrees for 45 minutes. In a saucepan, melt about 4 tablespoons of butter. Put about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of rosemary, and 1 tablespoon of thyme. And mix that in real well. Now pour a half cup of Parmesan cheese and pour 1/4 cup of water. Mix that in well and then pour that on top of your cooked potatoes. Thank you. Enjoy.